So I thought I should touch on what you have to do if your teenager bails on you, because this house build project is going to be a big commitment, and most likely at some point your teenager is going to bail on you. So you're going to have to pick up the slack, move forward, keep moving with the process. And honestly, there's nothing on a home construction project that you can't do alone with the proper approach and proper tools. Putting on the subfloor is actually not bad to do alone. It's actually pretty relaxing. First thing you want to do is park the trailer with the plywood as close to the deck as possible, and that way you're not carrying the plywood a long distance. In fact, you can just set one end of the plywood up onto the deck and then slide it onto a new pile. So this is step one. The second step of putting on the subfloor is to grab your sheet of plywood. No sense carrying it off the ground. Just drag it across the floor to the place you want to place it. This house is actually much longer than I anticipated. Step three is to squeeze out a bead of liquid nails across each joist, the entire width of the sheet of plywood. Then pick up the plywood with the tongue down, shimmy it over to the edge where it needs to go. Basically set that tongue right down in there on the edge of the previous sheet of plywood, and then just go around. You got some plank, some 2x6s laying over here to stand on, and then you can slowly lower it down. Try to get it into the groove with the tongue, and then just drop it down. Step 5 is to get that tongue into the groove. We just use a block of wood and a sledgehammer to knock that in place. Sometimes it goes really easily, other times it might rock back and forth a little bit and not go totally in like you want it to. Just takes a little persistence. Next step is to nail it in place. Your pneumatic nail gun. I use a T-square, like a drywall T-square. It helps quite a bit to you align it with the edge of the joist below, and it'll tell you exactly the line in which you need to nail. Very helpful. Put in 5 nails across the middle joist, and then you put in one every 6 inches on the ends at a slight toenail. Need to turn my compressor on.